Performance required of medical instrumentation system. Medical instrumentation systems are used in medical laboratories and healthcare settings to diagnose, monitor, and treat patients. These systems are made up of a variety of devices, such as imaging systems, medical monitors, and drug delivery systems. They are used to measure a variety of parameters, such as temperature, pressure, heart rate, and oxygen levels. These systems are designed to be reliable, accurate, and user-friendly. They are used to diagnose and treat a wide range of medical conditions, from cancer to diabetes. Medical instrumentation systems are used in the diagnosis, management, and treatment of a variety of medical conditions. They are used to analyze data, monitor patient health, and deliver medications. They are designed to be reliable, accurate, and user-friendly. They are used to diagnose and treat a wide range of medical conditions, from cancer to diabetes. Performance required of medical instrumentation system includes accuracy. Medical instrumentation systems must have high accuracy to ensure reliable and safe outcomes. Reliability. Medical instrumentation systems must be reliable and able to withstand extreme conditions and environments. Speed. The system should be able to process data quickly and accurately to allow for timely delivery of results and treatment. Sensitivity. The system should be able to detect minute changes in the environment or patient's condition to provide accurate results. Robustness. The system should be able to operate in a wide range of conditions and settings. Flexibility. The system should be able to adapt to different settings and conditions. Durability. The system should be able to withstand long periods of use and exposure to extreme conditions. User-friendliness. The system should be easy to use and understand. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.